Hello everyone, this is Service24.7 channel. Today is April 26, 2023. We will talk about how do we know which SIMITIC product is on this computer, what that is consists of, SIMITIC product, and TA portal product in this computer. If we want to check how many products for SIMITIC classic SIMITIC product and SIMITIC GA portal, what do we have to do? Let's see together how to check software, Siemens software in this computer. The first one, you go to the Start menu and find the Siemens Automation folder. Click here. You will find and see installation software. You click this tool, installation software. Installation software will show you how many SIMITIC product installed in this computer. It will show you name of the product, show version, release, and the last one, release number. You can find SIMITIC component in over here. You can export SIMITIC product. You can export SIMITIC component product. And you can see inside when you export SIMITIC product. Yep. Name, version, release, and release number. You can see SIMITIC software. You can see the SIMITIC component here. SIMITIC component like a SIMITIC product. Yeah. This is all of the SIMITIC product used for SIMITIC manager. We call up to SIMITIC classic. Yeah? But for the SIMITIC TA portal, we must see another way. For TA portal, you can find TA product component by click in this program, TA portal version 16. Double click, it will open program. Yep. You can find software of the TA or of the TA software in this computer by find the help menu. You click on help menu and go to the install software. Click install software. This all of the TA totally integrated automation portal. not same SIMITIC product, not same SIMITIC manager, not same SIMITIC classic, right? And you can see all of the software for TA by click over here. Detailed information about installed software. Click here. This will show you all of the software for TA portal. For this, show you all of the software is for SIMITIC Classic, SIMITIC Classic, SIMITIC TA portal. In the same way, you can export. Yeah, you can export TIA install software. You can export TIA install software component. Yep. And you can go to see inside the Excel file. It will show you SIMITIC product for TA portal. Yep. Version 16, version 16. Step 7 professional, step 7 safety, which is professional version 16, like this. You can see TA install software component. It will show you how many components, version, name, version, and release, like a SIMITIC Classic. But we can find another page. Yeah. Okay. This for SIMITIC product, SIMITIC Classic. This for TA portal. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like, click share, and subscribe for further encourage me too. Thank you. Bye bye.